If you want to disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off using Firefox's advanced settings, and I'll also show you how to switch it back on later if you ever need it. This is useful if you want more control over your browser behavior, test how websites work without scripts, or troubleshoot pages that are acting strangely. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox. Now click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. Type About Config and press Enter or Return on your keyboard. This will open Firefox's advanced configuration page. When the warning screen appears, click Accept the risk and continue. Firefox shows this warning because these settings are powerful and can affect how the browser behaves, so just take a moment to be careful and continue only if you're comfortable changing an advanced preference. Once you're inside About Config, you'll see a search box at the top. Click that search preference box and type JavaScript.Enabled. This is the setting that controls whether JavaScript is enabled or disabled in Firefox. After you type it, you should see the preference appear in the results list. On the far right side of that row, you'll see a toggle button, usually shown as a double arrow icon. Click that toggle button once. The value will change from true to false. That means JavaScript is now disabled in Mozilla Firefox. At this point, you can open a website and test the result. Some pages may look different, load more slowly, or stop certain features from working because many modern websites rely on JavaScript to function properly. If you ever want to turn JavaScript back on, just return to About Config. Search for JavaScript.Enabled again, and click the toggle button to switch it back from false to true. So that's all it takes to disable JavaScript in Firefox in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy browser tips, privacy guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.